Well, I've got my new camping gas setup stove here. It's a new stove, I haven't tried it yet. Only tried it indoors. So it fits on the camping gas canisters and similar canisters with this adapter here. I've done a separate video on the adapter on my one of my other videos. So I'm going to filter some water and make a coffee, see how it performs. Well, it seems to be boiling my water quite nicely. Not quite boiling yet, but the handles don't seem to be getting hot. So the little windshield bit around there seems to be working well. It's only a cheap one off Amazon. I think it's about £7. But the system here of connecting it to the gas bottle seems to be fine. The control knob seems to be fine. But I did have to light it with my lighter because the ignition thing didn't seem to be working that well. Just wait for the water to boil, then I've got myself a nice caramel coffee. Yeah, 3-in-1 caramel roasted coffee. Looking forward to that this morning. So what I was saying about my stove is this little circle bit down here, that spark shoots from that to the circle, that was actually touching this piece and I don't think I was getting a proper spark, so I had to literally bend it up a little bit and then, I don't know if you'll see it, but it does send a spark out. Since then it hasn't let me down anyway. Turn the gas off, on rather. There we go. So that solved the problem. Since then it's worked perfectly. The little windshield around there, that seems to cope well with the breezes I've had. And these bits, they just fold in when you put it away. So, for a cheap little stove, at the end of the day, after testing it, I'm quite impressed with it. And here I am, cooking me breakfast. Got a nice beef quarter-pounder for my breakfast this morning. So I stuck the gas can down inside the little fire pit there, helped stabilise it a bit. Well, here's a little camping tip for you. If, like me, you're using a small frying pan on a stove with just a small top, it's self-explanatory. If you put the pan on the handle that way, then it's not that stable, as you can see. If you just put the handle where the prongs are on the stove, in any direction, you see it's a lot more stable. Like I say, it's self-explanatory. But I've done it myself. I've had a few beers in the evening, gone to cook your food, put it on like that and plonk, off on the floor it goes.